Hello Sewstars! Today we are unboxing a critical part of your sewing machine, the rotating hook. If you've ever wondered what the small but essential component looks like up close, you are about to find out. Now let's dive into what it does. This rotating hook plays a very important role in your sewing machine's stitching process. When you sew, it grabs the top thread from the needle, wraps it around the bobbin thread and locks them together to form a clean, secure stitch. That's how you get those neat, even stitches every time. To keep your rotating hook working smoothly, here are a few tips. 1. Clean it regularly to remove lint and dust. 2. Oil the hook every few weeks to prevent friction and wear and tear. Just a drop of machine oil will do the trick. And finally, always inspect the hook for damage. Look out for chips or rough spots that might affect your stitch quality. And if you're a beginner or just learning how your machine works, this video is a great starting point. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to catch more tutorials on sewing machine parts, maintenance and more from House of Molake. Thank you for watching and enjoy your day. Bye.